Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a PowerPoint into Google Slides. So let's get started. The only thing you need to convert PPT to Google Slide are Google account and obviously a PPT document that you wish to convert to Google Slides. I have this PPT document and now I will convert this to Google Slides. First, go to Google Drive using the link drive.google.com and log in with your Google account. Now click on New button. Here you will find the option File Upload. Just click on it. A file dialog box will open. Here find the PPT document and click on Open. Now PPT document is uploaded to Google Drive. Now right click on the PowerPoint document that we just uploaded. Go to Open with option and you will find the option as Google Slides. Simply click on Google Slides option and the file will open in the PowerPoint format in the New tab. At the top left side, you can see that the file is still in the PPTX format. First, verify each slide as there could be some changes with formatting. Here you will able to change text, insert image and update the document. Once everything is ready, click on File menu and click on Save as Google Slides option. This will actually convert the file format from PPTX to Google Slides. If you go back to Google Drive tab and refresh, you will find two files. Original one with PPTX format and other one in the Google Slides format. If you want, you can delete the original file. Now if you want everything that you upload gets automatically converted to Google Drive format, then click on gear icon and from here click on Settings. Here check the box that says Convert Uploads. So every time when you upload something to Google Drive, it is going to automatically convert it into a Google Drive file format like Google Docs, Google Sheets or Google Slides, and you don't have to carry out these steps. So if you want the things to happen automatically, you can enable these settings. So that was the tutorial on how to convert a PowerPoint into Google Slides. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.